Hey guys, it's Dawn Marie Nesbitt here, and in this video I am going to show you how I do my competitor research for Clickbank products. So not only is there the Clickbank metrics which you can use to decide whether or not to promote a product, but I always like to see how other affiliates are promoting the product and whether they are successful with doing so. And you can actually spy on those affiliates, and I'm going to show you how to do that now. So the first thing that you would do is you would come into your Clickbank back office. You can easily press this or click on this spyglass here, and it's going to bring up all of the products which have a high gravity score. So we can see that these gravity scores are very high: 233, 77, 171. So what I would do first of all is I would actually look for a product that looks interesting. Let's look at this one, his secret obsession. The gravity score is 95. So what I will do first of all is I'll actually visit the landing page. I'm going to take the URL like this, and then I'm going to go to a website called SimilarWeb, so www.similarweb.com. And what SimilarWeb is, it's a website that gives you statistics on different types of websites. So you can see that you get a report on any website or app. So I'm going to enter the URL for the affiliate product, and I'm going to click down here, and then it will give me the statistics that I would like to see before I decide whether to promote this product. Now, a few things that I'm looking for. I'm looking to see what the country rank is, although this is not very important, but it's useful to know whether this is a reputable website. So SimilarWeb would determine, based on the number of the traffic numbers going to it, what the country rank is and the global rank is. So it's ranked 81,000 in the US, which isn't bad. I'm also going to look at the traffic, so I can see that it gets a total visit of 253, over 253,000. That's a month, so that's really good. So you can see it started at 300,000 up here, and then it dipped a little, and then it went back up. So this tells me that a lot of affiliates are driving traffic to this offer, or even the owner of the product is driving a lot of traffic, maybe a combination of both. I can see that the average visit duration is 1 minute and 21 seconds. The average pages per visit is about one page, just about one page. So probably people actually go on here, go to the very first page, they probably read through, and that's it. So that's not a very good indicator for me. The bounce rate is very high. That's not a very good indicator for me. But let's keep on looking. I can see that most of the traffic comes from the US, the UK, or Canada. So when you are promoting these type of products and you see these statistics, then you know which countries you can target. Let's look at the traffic sources. A lot of people go directly to the site, so they may already know the website, so they go directly to it. But what I am very interested in is to see the referrals. So the referrals are people who, like affiliates, who refer traffic to this website. So you can see here that these are the main referrals, or the top referrers to this website, as well as when people land on this page, they then go out to either Aweber, the actual affiliate product, the support page for the product, or they go back to Clickbank. So what I'm going to look at a few of these pages. So these pages could possibly be affiliate pages. I'm just going to click go to website and open those pages in a different web tab. These look like affiliate Clickbank account, so I'm not going to be bothered with that. Now, SimilarWeb is a free tool. You only get very little results with the free version, but if you want to see like more referring sites to do a little bit more research, you can actually pay for this tool. I don't know how much it is per month. I do not pay for it. I find that the information that I get here is useful and helpful and sufficient for what I need. Another thing that you can look at as well, if you are using like Bing ads or Google ads to promote these type of products, you can see what people are actually typing in to find it. So organic search keywords are, I don't know why anyone would search for wallpaper algae stylus to bring up this product. Dark background, I still don't know why that is relevant. Right, so we can see that I really don't know what that is. But you would go here to see like the keywords that people are actually typing in to find the product, and that's organic. So maybe it's affiliates who are typing in those keywords, could possibly be. You can also look to see like the traffic source, where people drive traffic from. So the number one driver of traffic is Pinterest, then YouTube, Twitter, then Facebook. So you can also do a search on Pinterest to see how other affiliates are promoting it, as well as YouTube. Next is display advertising. So that's like your banner ads, etc. Maybe people have banner ads on different websites, if you are using Facebook advertising, you can use these audience interests to help you target certain interests. So what I am going to do is look at the websites. This will stop coming up. I'm going to look at the different websites to see how exactly how this product fits into their websites. I'll wait for these websites to load now. Just bear with me. So the first website we come to is yourtangle.com, and we can see that it's a website about love. They have posts on zodiac signs and horoscopes, heartbreak, self-acceptance, etc. And it's fitting for that affiliate product, since the affiliate product is more like a dating product. So I am looking to see how this website owner fits in the affiliate product. It could be in their blog posts. It could be in a side browser. So let's have a look and see. So what I did is I went through some posts on this website to see if I could find the affiliate product, but I have not been able to find the affiliate product. However, I was able to find the affiliate product on this website, which is howtogetagauytowantyou.com, and this was one of the websites that was noted by SimilarWeb as being a referrer to the affiliate product, His Secret Obsession. So the affiliate product is hissecretobsession.com. So I'm just going to show you how to get aguytowantyou.com, and I'll show you the affiliate product. Okay, so on this website, you can see that it's more of a blog type website. So it's not really like a lead capture page or anything. But what I do see is this little box here, which is an ad. So it would be an ad that was put on by the author of this website. It's not really an ad from Google Ads or any of those ad networks. Otherwise, you would have seen something around here that said ad. So the author of this website actually put this this image here, and when I click through to it, you would see that it goes to the affiliate of His Secret. That secret goes to the affiliate of His Secret Obsession. Yes, it does. So what I will do now is I would take this website link, and I would go back to SimilarWeb, and I will plug that website link into SimilarWeb to see how much traffic that website actually gets. So looking at the different metrics again, very good country rank, very good traffic. So you can see that their traffic steadily increases. They do have a high bounce rate, but with over 170,000 visitors per month to their website, and especially since they are one of the highest referrers to that affiliate product, then I would like to think that this website is doing really well in terms of sales because their traffic levels are so high. So that would be something that I would take a note of. I would take a note of the actual website, study their blog posts and see whether you can integrate the affiliate product into a blog post, or create a simple blog post with 2 or 3 posts on it, and then include the affiliate product in the side column like this one did. I want to show you another, for example, if somebody is using a landing page, how you can determine whether or not that affiliate is successful with his lead capture page. Not a landing page, but a lead capture page. Okay, so I'm going to check on this one, the 15-minute manifestation. And I've already done a little bit of research, guys, because I had to speed up this video. So I want to show you what I mean. So this is the 15-minute manifestation. You can see that when I click on this link, I'm opening it up in a new browser, and I don't want the Clickbank link. I want the actual offer link. So just this, the 15-minute manifestation. So I would copy that link, and then I would come over into SimilarWeb. I will type it in here, 15-minute manifestation. This should say, okay, let me, I'll type that into here, or paste it into here rather, and then just click on this button here, that link there, and then it will open up into this page. Then when you get on this page, you can see like the traffic numbers. Okay, so they have very good traffic coming to this page, but who are the actual referrers? That's what I want to know. So I can see that these are the referrers, the ones who are referring the most amount of traffic. Let's say, for example, I open up a Life Mastery today, and then I look to see like what type of landing page it is. So you can easily copy these landing pages or model after them, because if this landing page has a lot of traffic to it, then wouldn't you think that this landing page is converting well? So let's see how much traffic it has first. I'm going to copy that, and then I'm going to go over here and simply plug that website in like so, and then open it up like that, and we'll come in onto this page where it shows the country rank and the traffic. So the traffic is stable. It has slightly increased for the month of June. So that tells me that if this website has this amount of traffic, it means that it's converting well. So it's doing really well, and it's something that you can model after when trying to promote this 15-minute miracle product. This 15-minute manifestation product, sorry. So that's really how I do my research, not only with Clickbank metrics, but also using this tool, SimilarWeb.com, to spy on a competitor affiliates to see how they are promoting a product. So again, like for this Life Mastery, this website, you can see that it's referring traffic to the manifestation millionaire, the 15-minute manifestation miracle. So it is referring traffic to those products, and if this website is referring that traffic, then clearly this is a high converting landing page, and it's something that you can model after in your own marketing efforts. So I thought I would come and show you that. That's how I do my research with competitor affiliates. I hope that has helped you. Go through SimilarWeb and see what other bits of information you can get. Which traffic sources are successful, are being used to promote the product, and just go through it and get as much information as you can. So that's all, folks. I hope this video has been helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.